G'day folks, what's going on? I'm Shaneco.
I'm Declan.
That's Declan, and this is the Shaneco HD channel. And we are back at it again with another diecast video. So, what are we going to be talking about, Dec?
The Kyosho's we got last video, and the light up ones. The, what is it? Motion. Yeah, Moton.
Moton. I thought they were called Kyosho too. They are Kyosho.
Oh yeah, the Kyosho,
Yeah. So, if you did not see it already, go and check out our last video. It was a massive visit down to Southern Diecast, down at Dapto. One of Australia's best diecast stores, easily. Do you think so, Dec?
Yep, I agree.
Justin is such a cool bloke, man. He's like a family-run business. His family helps look after things down there. And we were down there just the other day, well, today, as the recording of this video. But Justin helps look after the Australian Diecast Expo. And so I just want to spruik that too. If you guys didn't know about Australia's Diecast Expo yet, we have one. Australia has a Diecast Expo, and this year it's going to be in Adelaide. Last year, where was it, Dec?
Sydney.
Rose Hill. If you didn't know, I did an awesome video on the channel. Go across and check out the video if you haven't seen that one already for the Diecast Expo. But yeah, so Justin looks after things there with the Expo, and he also got the awesome shop down in Dapto, Southern Diecast. And we were there, and he hooked us up some really cool gifts this time.
Yep.
And so we just wanted to dedicate this video into showing these cars off that he hooked us up. So first of all, we're going to be talking about the Kyosho light up Nissan Skylines. And these things are absolutely unreal. I've seen the other dudes do videos on these, Dec.
Yeah.
We haven't had anything to do with them yet, but I'm more than happy to do a review on these ones. And there's a yellow Skyline 33.
400R.
400R, and then Declan's got the
34 Nismo.
And then, so these cars light up, and the way they light up is with this little thing here.
Base plate.
With the, I think it's a USB base plate. So I'm going to cracking it open right now.
I think is there two of them? Is there more than one in there, or is it one?
I think you only get the one.
No.
That's what I can see. It's just
Base plate.
black base plate. Oh, there's no lead there, so it does not come with a lead, so we're going to need to go and grab a lead from somewhere here.
Oh, good.
Alright, so we've gone to get the USB lead.
Let me crack this one open too.
Yeah, we're going to crack one open each. Take the knife if you need it there. So I've got the 33.
Yellow one, with favourite colour.
How you going with that one?
Good.
Oh, now we're going to need a screwdriver, Dec.
No, wonderful.
Right, another pause and we'll go and get a little screwdriver. I'll be back. Now we're prepared. I have a screwdriver. I'm going to undo the base of this one.
They look pretty sick.
It is a cool base too, isn't it?
Yeah. Mine says Nismo Skyline GTR.
Let's see what happens. Boss. Oh.
They're on. You can't see it on the video, but they're on.
There we go. They light up there. And it lights up here. And then if we remove it, they go off. Damn, how cool is that, Dec?
Seems cool.
That is so damn cool. And apparently, like, it'll go through a mat and stuff like that too. So if you have your mat there,
Yeah.
like, you just doot, doot, and it should turn on.
Oh, I just put it near it.
No, now you have to take that one off and put that one on.
Oh, that one's pretty bright at the front there.
That one's super bright. So I'm going to hold it up here a little bit closer.
That looks heaps sick.
And I will get some good roll B shots of these ones in sort of half dark, and I'll put them on the thing there and get a real good shot. And I'll include them shots right now. see on the roll B, the cars lit up, both the yellow one and the silver one, the 33 and the 34. And then we just put it back here, and look, we can even put the lid back on it there. How cool does that look, Deck? That is so damn cool, man.
That is. It's cool.
And they still roll and everything. There's exhaust details on the bottom. So there's scroll part too, Deck.
Oh.
So I'm not sure what sort of customizing you'd be able to do with that one.
Yeah, so there's probably a lot of technology in it.
Yeah, there's probably a circuit board and stuff like that inside of it. But there it is, man. They're so cool. The Kyosho light up cars. Alright, and the next thing we're going to be showing off. We'll leave these sitting here.
Unplug them.
Yeah, unplug it if you like. I'll put them up there so they sit there on the video perfectly. I'll move this and this away. And the next thing we're going to be showing off is the initial D ones. And we sort of just quickly showed these ones off quickly in the last video. With the sort of footage from the shop and stuff like that. So we had a quick chat about these in that video, but we didn't open these up. So now we're going to open these up and have a good look around and describe them and have a, sort them out. So which ones do you want to do, Deck?
I don't mind. I'll let you do the yellow one.
Right, I'll start off with the yellow one.
Yeah, you like yellow cars, so you can do it.
Sit that there. Here we go with my knife cutting abilities. We're not going to be keeping the car backs on these ones, they come out, so don't be too worried about that. Perfect. Look at me go. These ones are screwed on too, Deck.
Can we just leave them in that then?
No, we're going to take them out and have a really good look at them and check out all the details. So if you want to start opening up the next one, I'm going to start unscrewing the RX-7 off the base. So a little sticky tab here. We're going to remove that. Stick that there. Perfect. Whoa, look at this. This is our first time experiencing these Kyosho diecast models, isn't it, Deck?
Yeah, haven't put these before.
So I think I said it in the last video, but I have dealt with Kyosho before. I used to own an RC Nitro monster truck, the Kyosho Mad Force. That was one of my favourite toys as growing up. So yeah, Kyosho has played a part in my life. And now it's returning with these diecast models. So there's the yellow RX-7. We'll put that on the roll B and give that a spin.
Let's unscrew that.
As Declan passes me the next car. So some of the details on the RX-7 Deck. It's got a lovely wing on the back. It's got some sponsor stickers down on the front of the door. It's got a Japanese number plate there. Lovely light details on the back.
We also have the Red Sun little mark over the rear fender. Red Sun.
Red Suns, yep. It's got the Red Sun sticker there.
RX-7s have those.
So there's the yellow RX-7. Alright, the next car was Declan. What's this one?
RX-7 FC.
Is that the older RX-7 then? Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, the FC, that's the older.
So it's got the Red Sun sticker over the wheel too. It does have interior details. Let's put this on the roll B and have a good look at that one as we zoom in on that. It's got the lens lights at the red lenses at the back for the lights. Mazda branding on the back. That's really cool, that one, isn't it, Deck? Alright, the next one. Right here, the Skyline.
Godzilla.
The Godzilla, is it?
Yep, the R32.
So isn't this one like his rivals? Isn't this the rival car?
Yeah, I think they're all the rivals, yeah. I'm pretty sure the white one, yeah, the Godzilla, the Skyline's the first rival. And then the white RX-7 is the second rival, I think.
All right, black, and yeah, this has lots of details on it too, Deck, doesn't it?
It does.
More than the Hot Wheels ones get. It's got red lens lights at the back also. It's clear lens at the front for the lights. Clear windows. Interior detailing. It's really cool. It's not like overdone, is it? It's like nice stock skyline. And then Declan is going to describe the 86.
Okay, the 86. Let's see.
Yeah, I'll take it off the base plate first.
Yeah.
Initial D action. This is the main car from the series.
I got the
Hold it up to the camera there.
The white paint job with the black trim. We've got the little tofu sticker on the side there. Tofu livery.
It's just on one side, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm sure it's meant to be on both sides. I could be mistaken. But yeah, that's the tofu car with the main character. Little pop-up headlights, but they don't pop up. Japanese plates and nice black rims. Looks pretty good.
So these are super cool, man. And I think this is going to make me want to watch the Initial D, the manga, Deck. We might start watching that. What do you think?
Sure.
So there it is. The 4 from the Initial D Kyosho set. And then the light up ones from, was it Moton, is it?
Yeah, Motten.
All these words are so hard to say.
Kyosho.
All Kyosho. All super awesome. And they were an awesome gift from our friends down at Southern Diecast. So shout out to them guys again. We always appreciate you guys. You look after us so much, hey Deck?
No, they do.
Coolest people in the diecast scene, I reckon.
Yep, I agree.
Well, there's actually a lot of cool people in the scene, so they're just one of many, I think.
Yeah.
But yeah, we appreciate you hooking us up there. We love going down to the store, having a good look around. And we do encourage you guys to go and have a look at the store too. And if you stop in there and you've seen the video, make sure to mention that you've seen the video, you know. That helps us out, helps him out. It's all good in the hood. Alright.
Oh, good. Another video done.
What do you reckon? Like the video, comment if you want to, subscribe to the channel, and peace out until next time.
Peace.
Shane Cole, let's go.
Let's go!